everybody. I'm here today to talk to you about a Vtech corded phone that is not ringing. I'll be going over some easy fixes in this very simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I will be going over 4 simple things that you can do to hopefully fix your problem. So basically, if you have a Vtech corded phone just like this right here, or something very similar to this, and it is not ringing, there are certain things that you can do, and obviously it can be something that is a major problem, but oftentimes, it's just a minor little thing that you need to do, and it will hopefully fix the problem. So these are 4 easy things, and these are very effective in the sense that they have a decent chance of working, and they're really, really easy to do. So they are super valuable because you can do them easily, and they have a good chance of working. So with that being said, let's get right into these 4 things, and like I said, try them out, and hopefully one of them works for you. Starting off with number one. Number one is look at the ringer volume control. So depending on your Vtech corded phone, you're going to have, a way to control the ringer volume. On this one over here, there's a ringer volume control on the side, and you can see it shows over here with the ringer volume control, it says ringer off, low, and high. So you can choose which one you want. If your ringer is set to off, okay, then guess what? It's not going to ring, and that's going to be your problem right there. So if your ringer is set to off, then change it to a different volume where it's supposed to ring, and that's going to be your solution right there. Try that out. If that doesn't work, or if that's not the problem, you can move on to number 2. Number 2 is make sure someone is actually calling. So oftentimes you might think it's not ringing because someone says they're going to call you at a certain time, right? But they didn't actually call you maybe. So you want to make sure someone's actually calling. If you know that someone is calling you and it's not making a ringing sound, then you can rule this out. But if you're not sure, if you're like, oh, I think someone was supposed to call me at this time, but I didn't hear a ring, I think the ringer's broken, make sure someone actually called you at that time, or make sure someone's actually calling you and it's not making a ringing sound, okay? So make certain and make sure that someone is actually calling you. You want to be as certain as you can possibly be that someone is actually calling you, and if you know that someone's calling you and it's not ringing, then you know that it's a real problem, okay? With regards to like it not making a ringing sound. Anyways, that's number 2. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is ensure the telephone cord is plugged in properly. By that I mean the telephone cord that connects the phone to the actual landline at your house. So it's going to look like this. You're going to get one end over here that connects to the telephone jack on the phone. So there's a jack here. It says TEL for tel, which stands for telephone. We plugged it into there, and obviously the other one's going to go to your house's landline. Okay. Now basically, you got to make sure it's plugged in properly. Make sure it's in there properly. I mean, this, to be honest with you, is probably not going to be the problem if it's not making a ringing sound, because then, if it wasn't plugged in properly, maybe the calls wouldn't even come through at all, right? So it's probably not going to be the problem, but it's worth taking a look at. It will literally take you 30 seconds to just unplug it and plug it back in properly, and unplug the other end and plug it back in properly to your phone's landline at your house. It's something that's really quick, and it kind of just rules it out. But it's not likely to be the problem, but you should do it so you can rule it out. That's number 3. Moving on to the last one for this video, which is number 4. Number 4 is replace the batteries, okay? Now your phone, your Vtech corded phone likely takes batteries. Replace them, okay? You might think that they're fully charged, you might think that they're good, okay? But just replace them. I mean, even if you just put them in, unless you literally took them out of a pack and they're pack fresh, so they literally are fresh out of a pack, and you put them in there recently, like relatively recently, that's the only exception to this where you can say, you know what, I think the batteries are good. But if you didn't do that, then maybe your batteries are bad. And if they have too low of a charge level, too low of a power level, it might affect the phone and cause it to glitch, which could cause it to not ring. It's unlikely that that's the case, to be honest with you, okay? It's unlikely that the batteries are the problem, but like I said, if you have extra batteries, at least by replacing them with new batteries, you can sort of rule it out, and you can know that that's not what the problem is. But that's basically it. Certain of these are more likely to be the case, certain of these are less likely, but they're all effective and super easy to do, so you should try them out because it's worth it to give them a try. And hopefully you can get your phone working properly once again. And that's it. I've got nothing else to say, so I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.